Alright, so today is Tuesday, and yesterday, I couldn't make a video blog because my pants ripped, right on my butt, and so I had to go to the nurse's office when I got to second period because I was walking in the hallway after first period, and some girl, pokes me on the shoulder that I've, never talked to before, and she was like, "Hi." And so I thought she was trying to walk with me. And so I was like, "Hi." And then she was like, "Your pants are ripped." So I felt my leg and I couldn't feel anything. I was like, "Where?" And then she's like, "Right there." And it was right on my butt. So then I got to second period and I asked to go to the nurse. And he let me go and change my pants. My eyelashes are gripped together and it's bothering me a lot. Maybe because my mascara is on really thick today, which is bad. And then, yeah, so yesterday was a productive day because I went home for first and second periods, and I had soccer practice from 9 to 10 last night, so got to work out. Bye.